Right, I'm out again. Out with me Etrac with 13-inch Etrac Ultimate coil on some of my pasture land. I walked up the gate, all the sheep come running up to me, think I were a farmer coming to feed them. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, out here near me, this wind's blowing a woolly, but it's as sunny as out, lovely and warm. Right, piece of lead, just nicked it. Never mind. Right, somebody's leg, look. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, as you know, it's new to me, this machine, so I'm going to hang on it, and that will give me a 1210. I thought, now then, is it foil or is it some crap? So anyhow, I dug it and it was foil, so I am learning. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I got a 2937. I thought I'll dig this, but I think it could be rubbish. I know, right, it's a piece of iron, 2937. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, now this has given me a 1044 both ways. I've done it that way, I've done it that way. Give me a 1044 both ways, so I'm going to do a live dig and hope it's something good. No, it might look, it'll be crap, but it's a big learning curve, this Etrac, so let's see. Right, see if it's still in oil or in plug. Right, it's in plug. What I said, 1043, 1044 it was. Yeah, it looks like it's inside here somewhere. There you go. Bloody hell, it's hard, this muck. Right, so it could have been something good, but there you go. Piece of copper or brass. Right, I'm happy with that anyhow. It's telling me what sort of metal it is more than that out, isn't it? Right, but I don't know what that is, but or what it was. Right, back to you in a bit. Yeah, I've just found another one of them. I ain't a clue what they are. No idea whatsoever. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, been 1137 here. Let me dig it out. Don't get yours much, this. Go on, bounce that. Oh, it's a button. That'll do me. That's lovely. And it's got full shank on back. Nice shank on back. Heavily gilded bit looks on it. Really heavily gilded. It's got wings on it anyhow, so I don't know. I'll have a look when I clean it up. But I'm well chuffed with that. That'll give me 1137. Sweet as a nut both ways. Well chuffed with that. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, part of the pocket watch. made of brass that, you can see on the edge there. But, right, thought to been a bloody golden. Hey, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal looks like a coin, and it looks like silver. Oh yes! It's Vicky. Victoria Veilhead. Looks like a shilling size. Oh, lovely! Look at that. 1 shilling. 1901. It was nearly an Edward. Get in! Get that, that's bloody lovely. Yeah, I think it's my first Veilhead shilling, that. Get out Etrac. Right, I would have checked see if there's any more in. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, looks like another coin. I think it's giving me 1730 or something like that, 1733, I don't know. It looks like another Veilhead Vicky, but it's an halfpenny. Yeah, it's looking that road. Aye. Yeah, okay, here. See if we can see it here. Not that it matters, like. At 1890, is that 8 or 9? I think it's 1898. Is that any better for you? Right, I think it's 1898 anyway. Well, me and Gary call this coin field because it's where he's had loads of coins, young Gary, on here. I've had a few like, but not as many as him. But I'm catching him up now. Right, so he'll know where I mean if I tell him it's coin field. There you go, Vicky halfpenny. 1898. Quite chuffed with that. Right, it's only a couple of yards away from other. They're on a bank in here, just a slight slope, and I'm just getting one after other like that's where I got button from. That's silver, and this one. Right, so back to you in a bit. Right, next signal. It's another Vicky, it's a bunhead this time. Bunhead penny. I just love it when coins keep coming up. Wish they were older though. 1860 something, 65 possibly, I don't know. Have a look. I can't see, it's 1860 something anyhow. $1860, no idea. Anybody can see it, tell me. And it's Victoria Bunhead. Right, happy with that. Back to you in a bit. There you go, that's what that penny gave me. 12.40. With ultimate coil. Right, I would imagine numbers will be different with different coils like, such as ultimate against 11-inch pro coil. I would imagine numbers will be different, but I don't think they'll be far out. But I'm loving it. I'm going to lay down now. Lay down in the middle of the field. There's cows up there. As long as they stay up there and don't come bothering me, I don't give a monkeys. they can walk down, but if they start running, I'm off. And then the sheep in next field with all the babbies. Oh, there. And I'm loving it. Sun's glorious. That wind ought to drop a little bit because it can be a bit cool on neck, so I had to zip my neck up. But I'm absolutely loving it. This Etrac, oh, I fell in love with it, definitely. I used to hate Minelab. I think it must be that I'm getting older, I'm getting more mature and realising it's like a fine wine. I don't know, talking a lot of bollocks anyhow. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, the possibility this could be another coin or it could be a piece of copper or brass. It's giving me a 1242. I've cut plug, but I ain't do it out yet. Right, it should come that. Right. I just looked round, then I could hear a dog in sheep field. Must be his. Hold on. Still in oil anyhow. Right. Have a look. I'm not used to doing out left-handed, it feels weird. Right, somewhere here. That. I have to dig a bit deeper. I'll get my hand digging out. Switch hands. Bloody hell, it's awkward this. I have to fetch my tripod, didn't I? Come on. God, it's rock hard, this muck. Oh, well, Mark, I just heard something, then I think I might have hit it. Oh, I don't know, it's there anyhow. I did, told you I'd hit it. Look at that. Ho ho! Alright, scuff. I'll start you with a big shovel in future, that little digger. I'm useless with it. Anyhow, it's a George V. George V, 1 penny. Put it in oil and then we not got too much sunlight shining on it. Right. George V. Oh, let's have a look. 1936. How's that for you? I'll start you with a big digger. Look at that, I said I'd hit it, didn't I? Chuff now. Never mind. Good job it's not rare, innit? It might be for all I know, but I doubt it. 1936, George V, 1 penny. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, I've just checked, it's not in oil. It's giving me a 1735. It's here somewhere. Right, I want to break this open with my hands. What the bloody hell is that? It's a bleeding fuse, I think. Is it a fuse? I don't know. No, I don't think it's a fuse. It's somewhat similar though. Beautiful signal. Anyhow, it must be non-ferrous, that signal. It's got a bit of iron on it, like, but main body on it's non-ferrous. I don't know what it is. I thought it was a fuse for stuff, but it's not a fuse. So, right, back to you in a bit. Right, I'm getting a 139, 140. I thought, what's this? So, I investigated and it looks to me like it's like lead. But then again, it bends like lead and all that, but then again it could be alley, I don't know. Let's have a feel. Ah, it's aluminium, that. Great plate to rally, I don't know what it was, but aluminium tray or something. I ain't carrying that about, it's going edge bottom, I'm afraid. So, disposed of in the edge bottom. Yeah. Oh, it's giving me a 139 look there. That's the number it will give me. Weird number. Right, back to you. Right, I'm getting a 149 here. I thought I'm going to dig it because still ain't got used to all numbers and that on this sheet, but I don't know. I ain't a clue. It looks like this is it. Ah, that's it. What is that? Very light, very light. Could it be a bit of aluminium or something? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, it's junk. I think it's aluminium. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, today's roundup. Right, I got a piece of coke. It'll give me 1301 or something. I thought I'm going to dig that. Just find out, and it was a piece of coke. Right, some bits of iron, nails, and some other bits and bobs. Bit of foil and better stuff. I ain't a clue what these two things are, no idea whatsoever. A bit of lead inside a pocket watch. I'm not sure whether that's a griffin on that, so it's a livery button. I'll find out when I get home anyhow. And then a Georgie 5th penny, Victoria Bunhead penny, Victoria Valed halfpenny, and a Victoria Valed shilling, which I think it's first time I've had a Valed shilling. I've had Bunhead shillings. And there you go. Right, and that's it for today. Enjoying it. Weather's been great. That wind could have done with dropping a little bit. A bit cold round back at neck, so I zipped up. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.